to start the video. Welcome to 24 Odyssey, guys. This is my first vlog. I'm traveling to Srisailam from Hyderabad. It's about 250 to 300 odd kilometers depending on the route you take. So I am currently returning back towards Hyderabad and I have more 120 odd kilometers. So crazy thing that happened is I trust Mother Google Maps, and it just made me detour like around 40 odd kilometers. I was off-roading. I went into some farm fields. 20 kilometers was pure madness with the sands. There was heaps of sand all over, and I was trying to come out of it ASAP. Overall, the first ride of this channel, I wanted it to be a little fresh, and I haven't been to Srisailam on bike, although I've been to Srisailam many times with my family and friends in four-wheelers, but not on two wheels. So this is the first time ever, and I was delaying it, to be honest, like by almost a month now. So today I was like, chuck it, I'm gonna go. I am not waiting for anyone. I'm not checking the weather. I'm not doing any of my usual pre-checks when it comes to planning the ride.
In the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet. You take your aim. Fire away. You shoot me down, but I will fall. I'm titanium. You shoot me Never put my love out on the line. Never said yes to the right guy. Never had trouble getting what I want. But when it comes to you, I'm never good enough.